Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to update Meta Business Suite application. To update Meta Business Suite application, first you have to tap Open Play Store. Then on the bottom right, you will see search icon. Tap on it. In the search bar, search for Meta Business Suite. If an update is available, you will see an update button right next to the app. Then tap on it. After this, the Play Store will download and install the latest version of the application. Once finished, you can open the updated application. Here, the app is already in the latest version, that's why you will see an open button instead. Now, you can use the updated version of the application. That's it for my video today. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon to never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.